Hi, and welcome to this course on furniture design using Blender. In this first video of the modeling section, we're going to start with a simple project, modeling a basic closet. We'll cover the essential tools and techniques to get you comfortable with Blender's modeling workflow.
So, add a plane, then press R on the keyboard to rotate it 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Press Tab to switch to Edit mode, and then switch to Face selection and press E to extrude it 60 centimeters along the X-axis. Press Ctrl A and choose Scale to apply the scale. Press Ctrl R and use the mouse wheel to increase the number of cuts. Select the front loop cut by clicking on it, then press Ctrl B to bevel it. Hold Shift while moving the mouse to adjust the bevel. And finally, press E to extrude it slightly, like this, to create an inset effect. Now we're going to create some decorative molding. To do that, we'll start by selecting the faces while holding Shift, then press I to inset them slightly. Now switch to Edge Selection mode, press Shift-D to duplicate, and then press P followed by Selection to separate the duplicated edges. Right-click and choose Convert to Curve. Here in the Curve Properties, go to the Geometry section, then the Bevel panel, and increase the depth value. In the Profile section, you'll notice various shape options. Feel free to select any that suit your design. For my project, I'll be using a cornice molding. To achieve a smoother appearance, I'll increase the resolution of the profile. Now I'm going to add handles to the closet. Press Shift plus A and add a cylinder. Increase the number of vertices to make it smoother. Press R, then Y, and rotate it 90 degrees to align it along the Y-axis. Press S to scale it. Actually, I want it like this, so I'll rotate it again. Press S, then Z to scale it along the Z-axis. This looks good. Now let's add some details to the handles. Press the Dot key on the keyboard to isolate the object. Shift-D to duplicate. Rotate and scale.
Once all the parts are in place, press Ctrl plus J to join them into a single object. Press the same dot key again to return to the full scene. Let's rotate it on the right axis, move it a little bit like this, and finally press Shift-D to duplicate it. And here is our final closet. Thank you, and see you in the next video.